In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use email template in Brevo. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Brevo account and you are on the main dashboard. Email templates are helpful because they let you reuse a consistent layout and branding, which saves time and keeps your emails looking professional across multiple campaigns. First, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Campaigns. This is where Brevo groups the tools used to create and manage your outgoing emails. Once you are inside the Campaigns section, find and click Templates. This area is your template library, and it is where you can create new designs or return later to update an existing one. Next, choose the option to create a template, and then select Email Template. At this point, you are telling Brevo you want to build a reusable email design, not a one-time message. This is especially useful if you send regular newsletters, announcements, or promotional emails and want the same structure each time. After you select Email Template, you will be taken to a settings confirmation screen. Take a moment to review what is shown so you know you are creating the correct type of template. When you are ready, click Next to confirm those settings and move forward. Now you will see the option to design email. Click Design Email to open the editor. This is where you will build the actual layout and content of your template. Work through your design carefully and keep readability in mind. Use clear headings, keep spacing consistent, and ensure the most important information appears near the top. If you include images, make sure they support your message and that your text is still easy to scan. It also helps to keep fonts and colors consistent with your brand so the template feels familiar to your audience. Once you are done editing, click Save and Quit. This stores your progress and exits the editor so your template is saved in your library for future use. If you need to make changes later, you can return to Campaigns, open Templates again, and edit the saved template. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.